Alternative bipolar medications. Bipolar is considered as a major disorder that can greatly affect an individual and his family. There are many definitions of this illness. One definition states that a person with bipolar disorder experiences extreme relations that alternates with deep depression. Bipolar disorder is also called manic depression. Generally, it is characterized by depressive episodes and accompanied by a manic episode. To put it simply, bipolar disorder affects feelings, thoughts, behavior, and perceptions. Experts say that it is brought about by the chemical and electrical elements found in the brain that are not functioning properly. Some say that it runs in the family, so families having a history of bipolar disorder or other mental illnesses are more prone to having the disorder. There are certain medications given for bipolar patients, and not all of them are quite comfortable in taking daily doses of different medications. Most of them are interested to secure supplemental or alternative therapies rather than taking prescription medications. Omega-3. There are many researches showing that omega-3 found in fish oils and in certain fishes are excellent for bipolar patients, as well as those having mental illnesses. There was a significant research done in 30 bipolar patients for 4 months. It was a placebo-controlled and double-blind study. It aims to compare omega-3's efficacy versus olive oil or placebo for the treatment of bipolar disorder. According to researchers, bipolar disorder is a neuropsychiatric illness that has a high mortality and morbidity. In their preliminary study, it was proven that omega-3 performed better and resulted to longer remissions based on the 4 scales of symptom severity. Further studies are still underway, and researchers are hoping that they can come up with new classes of psychotropic compounds that can be used as mood stabilizers. Herbal. Most people resolve to the use of herbal supplements instead of taking prescribed drug medications. But not all herbs are good for the treatment of bipolar disorder. In fact, there are certain herbs that can worsen the condition of a bipolar patient. Some herbal supplements actually have a harmful reaction when used together with certain drugs. Consult your doctor first before taking any herbal medication in conjunction with other drugs. Nutrition and your diet. You have to adjust your diet, and this means checking your meal menus every day. The nutrients which the body receives are very important. Holistic physicians use B-complex, magnesium, and thiamine for episodes of depression. Pastoral counseling. If you're suffering from bipolar disorder, you can also talk to your pastor, priest, or rabbi instead of talking to therapists. The religious community may be of great help during these times. In fact, the community is now recognizing the role of spirituality and prayers. It can even be included in psychotherapies and medication. Art therapies. If you're always staying at home, then perhaps you might want to join expressive therapies. Through the arts, you can express freely your feelings and do so without inhibitions. You can enroll in a drawing class, sculpting, painting, and many others. Find an appropriate therapist in your locality who specializes in art therapies or expressive therapies. If you want movement, enroll in a dance therapy. Let your feet fly and your spirit soar while incorporating your physical, cognitive, and emotional facets to the dance. Soothing music can make a person relax. So why not enroll in sound or music therapy? Your body chemicals can be stimulated to improve blood pressure and flow, breathing, pulse rate, and changes in posture. Traditional medicine. Traditional medicines or the culturally based ones like shiatsu, reiki, acupuncture, yoga, ayurveda, talking circles, and sweat lodge are only typical examples. All these healing arts are based on balancing the states of the physical, spiritual, and emotional for the wellness of an individual. If the forces in your body are imbalanced, you will likely get an illness. If all these things are combined, omega-3, herbal, right diet, pastoral counseling, art therapies, and traditional healing arts, perhaps the forces of the body can be balanced and a bipolar patient can be treated effectively. But remember to consult your doctor for any problems that you may encounter, and don't just stop your prescribed medication if you have one. Continue using it, and ask your doctor if you can also use other alternative medication.